Hello, everybody. Welcome to year two, fall semester. Just one more to go. Well, most of us, I guess. My name is Chastity Hewlett, and I go by Chastity. I am located in Chatsworth, Georgia, which is in Murray County. Our county is as far north as you can go before Tennessee, so we border Tennessee. When I'm not in class, I am a teacher, and I just took a new position at a school in my county as the resource gifted teacher for kindergarten through sixth grade. So I'm looking forward to that job this year. Something unusual or fun about me is I'm a bit of a Candy Crush addict. Only at night, about the last 10 to 15 minutes before I go to bed, I can play Candy Crush, and it helps ease me off to sleep. So I look forward to meeting all of you.